This is space. As you can see, everything revolves around the Earth. The Earth is the center of this model, known as the geocentric model. In this model, planets move in a small circle known as an epicycle. Let's see that in action. This looks very similar to the first example the planets showed, but you may have noticed that the Sun and Moon decided not to just orbit the Earth, but also swung around in a circle for absolutely no discernible reason. This is because, from Earth, it looks like the planets randomly decide to move backward and ignore where they were supposed to be headed. This is known as retrograde motion. Assuming you got out of kindergarten, you would know that this is a circle. Coincidentally, this is also the shape that the planets move in, ignoring epicycles, which turn their orbits into ones that look like you made them with spider graphs.
However, the geocentric model is incorrect. The Sun instead is the center of orbit, as shown by the heliocentric system, which has been proven to be true. German astronomer Johannes Kepler developed tools that predicted the positions of the planets among stars. Kepler noted that the planets moved around in an elliptical fashion, and when an object orbited a star, its speed changed. When it was closer, it sped up due to the pull of gravity. This was further explained by funny Appleman Isaac Newton's observations of universal gravitation. It basically meant that everything has gravity imposed on everything else, and that gravity's strength is proportional to the object's mass, and inversely proportional to its distance from the affected object.
Both models are ways to display the solar system. The model contains 3 components: the Earth, the Sun, and other planets. However, they are still very different. In the geocentric model, the orbit was thought to be circular. In the heliocentric model, the orbit is elliptical, meaning it looks like an oval. The geocentric model explains the retrograde motions of planets in epicycles, whereas in the heliocentric model, it is explained by an effect of perspective. This man is called Ptolemy, and he came up with the geocentric model in 150 CE in Greece and has now been proven wrong. However, the Greeks were not all complete failures. Aristarchus of Samos was the inventor of the heliocentric model. Unfortunately, Ptolemy beat him to it and overshadowed the heliocentric model until it was disproven in 1543 in Poland by Copernicus. These models have the prefixes geo and helio based on their centers, Earth and the Sun.